In UV curing processes, intensity must be maintained at a consistent level. But UVLED output changes continuously, and handheld spot checks can't keep up.
So, is there a way to keep the intensity steady at all times?
UVER's Intensity Auto Calibration System, a core technology that monitors UV intensity in real time and automatically calibrates it, preventing incomplete curing. The UV sensor module detects the intensity of the curing unit in real time. It measures the intensity of each channel and transmits that data to the interface module. The interface module compares the measured values against the set values in real time. When calibration is required, it immediately transmits the calibration values to the input power controller. The input power controller receives the calibration values and automatically adjusts the output of each channel. The smart auto calibration system completes the optimization of the curing process. Detection, analysis, adjustment. The new standard for UVLED, UVER.